Welcome back to my channel again. At this moment, I'm leaving Malta to London. Don't forget to subscribe so that you could get more notification from me when I post my daily lives across the world as I travel to each country. You can see a lot as I travel, and that might give you more appetite if you really want to visit that country. Don't forget to click on the notification button, and I will appreciate if you just leave me some comment and advice where to go next. Now you can see I'm boarding the flight from Malta to London. I'm done with my vacation. I'm done with my tour. So at this moment, I'm now leaving to London with Air Malta. Well, it's really a good flight. I traveled with it right from that week, last week, but now I'm going to arrive in Heathrow Airport. So I'm leaving now, but I'm finding my way in. So this is the flight, and going in now on a gradual process. But I enjoyed my stay in Malta. It was an amazing travel and experience with food, with people. Now I need to say goodbye. Maybe sometime I'll visit again, but I need to explore other countries. As of now, I am saying goodbye. So yeah, I'm already on the flight, locating my seat. Yeah, I know that my number was 35, that I'm almost behind, but I was still searching for my seat anyway. And we have some queue around. Now I find my seat. Oh, fortunately, I have to sit in the middle. I really wanted to sit by the window side because so that I can get a lot view and visibility. But fair enough. It's fine. At least I didn't miss the flight. Yeah. Examine the flight. It was good flight, comfortable, clean, well organized as well. Finally, we arrived successfully. Now I am in Heathrow Airport. Arrived safely. We had a good flight. Now I'm in Heathrow Airport in London. Anyway, some people say, London, here we come. So I will be exploring London in the next 1 month, and I will take my time to visit some of the vital areas from time to time. I thought from Malta, from London, I will be leaving to any part of Africa. But at the moment, just around London, you can see I'm walking down. This is Heathrow Airport, London. At this moment, I was waiting for my baggages, my luggages, so I finally got it. So now I'm going to take the train. We are going to locate the train. I take the underground train in London, which is quite noisy and very fast. It's like 100 kilometers per hour. It's quite really fast train. They call it the underground. So, but I want to take it to the next stop, and I will prefer, rather than me taking the train, in order to economize my resources, I would rather take the bus. So I'm going to highlight on the next bus stop, which I just did now, so that I can find my way to take the bus. Although with the train, it was going to give me about 45 minutes to arrive the area of my location, But with the bus was going to take me 2 hours plus the city. But that's fun. I really want to see around. So I asked the boss, I asked one of the train guard, is it the ticket man? I wouldn't know. Probably, I think they gives direction around. So he was telling me where to go and what to do. So because I told him I wanted the bus, so he's giving me where to go. Yeah, now I arrive the bus stop. So I need to find where exactly I have to go, which bus I have to take. But I need to ask. I've already asked already. If you remember, I was with the guy underground where he told me that I can take the bus, and if I remember clearly, it was L7171, something like that. So now I'm trying to locate which bus stop I have to stand, I have to take. So now I'm looking around, so it will take me some time anyway. And I was told the bus come every 10 minutes. Initially, they said it was 1 hour, but now, pretty lucky, they have really commercialized the bus. Now they don't have it every 1 hour due that people travel a lot, and these bells help a lot. So they decide to make it every 10 minutes, which is pretty good. I would advise you, if you are coming from Heathrow Airport, I will just show you the bus that I will take. You better take that bus. The reason is because it's quite cheap, it's about £2.50, and it can take you. Wow, it's a long distance, but it's also about fun. Just searching for the bus to stop. I've actually not found it yet, but I'm still looking around. I think finally I find it, and I am here to confirm that what they told me was exactly what I have to do. If you see the bus, yeah, it's the SL9. It's the SL9. That was the bus I need to take. It goes to East and West Croydon, probably that side of London. Yeah, that is the bus. So I am in the right location waiting. Now I've highlighted the bus. Now we're on our way going. Luckily, we got into the bus. Now I'm moving, and you can see that I'm videoing it around. Location for me is very important. I have always said that. So leaving Heathrow Airport, we're going now to the tunnel. This is the tunnel. It was about 10 or 5 minutes longer, but I enjoyed. I wanted to see the experience. Then I'll start London trip by next week. So for now, I say goodbye. Well, we're waiting to see. I'm just looking if I can find anyone arriving. Not yet. Not seeing any. Yeah, look at one coming. Look at another flight. Oh, arriving. This is just landing. This is what I wanted. Oh my goodness. Which flight is this? I wouldn't know quite before. That is the landing. Exactly this is what I was looking for. I've gotten one. Amazing. Quite amazing. Yeah. We are moving down. We are leaving. I think Heathrow is quite really big anyway. I won't lie you. It's quite a big airport. It's a massive airport and very busy as well. So you can imagine we have now almost 10 minutes drive or 15 minutes thereabout, and we are still in Heathrow Airport. It's quite big, yeah. Still in the vicinity of, yeah, the Heathrow Airport. Sooner or later we'll be leaving soon. Now we are now in Kingston. just arrived within the city. People are lighting down, but this is not my destination. But fair enough, I'm enjoying the ride. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your support, and hope to see you when I'm in London. And I'll bring forth what I have and what location I've gone, what I'm doing in London. That will come in my episode 1 in London. Thank you for all your support while in Malta, and I do appreciate all your comments and those who watch, and hopefully I will see you in my first episode while in London. Goodbye for now.